Time now for the Business Day. The push for a more inclusive and vibrant stock market is gaining momentum. This as Minister of Finance Favour Williams signaled a renewed effort to bring more local businesses onto the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Deidre Thomas reports.
Speaking at the closing of the 2026 budget debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, the Finance Minister announced the establishment of a stock market sandbox,
which is a simulated market environment designed to prepare businesses for the realities of operating as a publicly listed entity. The sandbox will expose prospective companies to the reporting obligations, corporate governance standards, and regulatory expectations they will face once listed. This will be available starting April 17, 2026.
She says expanding listing is key to opening new pathways for businesses to access capital while giving Jamaicans a stake in the country's economic growth.
The sandbox will provide a low-risk setting that allows companies to learn, adapt, and to build capacity before entering the live market. This innovation is expected to significantly improve the quality and readiness of businesses entering the micro and junior market, reduce compliance failures post-listing, and create a sustained, well-prepared issuer development pipeline for years to come.
According to the Finance Minister, the Jamaica Stock Exchange is currently working in close partnership with the Jamaica Business Development Corporation to identify and prepare the first cohort of businesses for listing.
An initial group of 25 entities that have successfully graduated from the JBDC's Accelerator program, thank you, Minister Grange, has been identified as primary candidates. These businesses have already demonstrated a level of operational discipline and growth readiness. Madam Speaker, let me add my own congratulations to those businesses, and I look forward to sharing more on their successes as the program develops.
The sandbox is expected to play a key role in broadening participation in Jamaica's stock market. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
The JSE Index declined by 408 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 23 points. The winners were led by Productive Business Solution, USD, Main Event Entertainment Group, Elite Diagnostic Limited, Stanley Motor Limited, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. The losers include JFP Limited, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, First Rock Real Estate Investments, ISP Finance Services, and Sagicor Select Funds Limited. 20 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and Campios selling the US dollar for an average $158.53. The Canadian dollar was being sold for $114.75. The pound is going for $212.40, while the euro is selling for an average $187.83. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas when we return.